All right, so let's imagine we're about to promote our website using email and social media. We'll put a little teaser in the email and link back to a landing page on our website. We'll put a little teaser in the social media and link back to a landing page on our website. What's the easiest way to create a landing page? Well, I'm about to show you. So you start by going to the News section. Now, the News section, you might call it a blog, you might call it updates, is the easiest place to put a landing page because you don't have to figure out where it's going to go in the menu. It just goes right on top. The newest page that you create in this section will be on top. It'll be on top of this one. This one is newer than this one, so it's on top of that. This one is newer than these gentlemen fishing, so it's on top of that. So I go to where the button says New Post, and I click right here. Now the editor pops up, and I have the opportunity to create my post. So I'm going to type Eric's Practice Landing Page. Isn't it awesome? So now there you go. Now I have two options. I can click Save Draft if I want to come back and work on it later, or I can hit Save Save. If I hit Save, it's going to publish to the website right away. And I'm going to assume this landing page is perfect, so I'm going to save it. Now in future sessions, we're going to show you how to make that landing page look really great, but this will do for now. So there it is. If I click back to the News section, here it is. I see it on top, Eric's Practice Landing Page. This is the newest one, so it's on top of these. If I go to the home page, this is one of the templates where the blog posts, where the announcement posts flow through to the home page, and I see it right here on top, so it's on the home page as well. And now I open that landing page back up. I copy this link to the page and I paste that into the email or into social media, and voila, I've got a landing page.